Dave has an aquarium in the shape of a rectangular prism. Rounded to the nearest hundredth, the aquarium can hold 7.48 gallons of water for each cubic foot. The aquarium measures 4 feet by 1.5 feet by 1.75 feet. Which amount is closest to the number of gallons of water Dave's aquarium can hold? First things first, let's find the volume of the aquarium. Okay, so the volume of the aquarium is going to be found by doing length times width times height. Now, fortunately, this is a nice problem because it's a calculator problem. It doesn't matter which one you choose to be length, width, or height. So each of these numbers is fine no matter what order. So this is going to be 4 times 1.5 times 1.75. So you go off to your calculator and you find out what this is. And so multiplying all three of these together gets us 10 and a half, 10.5. So our aquarium, and this is me trying to draw an aquarium, I'm a math teacher for a reason, holds 10.5 cubic feet. Great. Now up here it says 7.48 gallons of water is in each cubic foot. Well, we have 10.5 cubic feet, and there's 7.48 gallons in each cubic foot. So we need 10.5 groups of 7.48. So that means we're going to multiply. So once again, you're going to go to your calculator, and you're going to find out that this is 78.54. So you are going to get 78.54 gallons of water. It's a really tricky problem. Didn't like that one at all. D for Dave.